did it! You finished my introduction to Blender. So now you should have a really solid foundation to Blender to the point where if let's say you have an idea or something you want to do in Blender, you should know enough to be able to YouTube it, to understand what you need to search for in order to get what you need done. Blender is the jack of all trades. I mean, pretty much anything you can think of, you can do in Blender. So congrats. And if you want to just learn about how you can use Blender for YouTube, doing a bunch of cool YouTube stuff, you can now click on the link right there. So go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take you to the playlist of how I'm using Blender for YouTube, of creating animations, of doing different stuff, um, of using Blender for YouTube. Now, if you're not too interested about that, then just continue watching the playlist because up next, what I'm going to be talking about is as a 3D artist, you need to pick your speciality.